or on board trains. Thank you.
Thank you so
You want
much.
to check first?
Berbagi di kawasan landasan kereta api ini. Stasiun raya Tegal, Andhra Pradesh. Orchard.
Oh, I can just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same. You pick her up and you always call first, and you wait till she gets in the door. Miles are numbered, I bet you hardly wonder just as it always did. God, it hurts less if you never try. Oh, how I envy your last love. This is everything that you dreamed of. I bet you better flowers you find by the road, and tell her she's pretty and make sure she knows that I'll bet that she'll get everything that I want, 'cause I couldn't tell you what I want. I envy your last love.
I was going through the toughest, most difficult times in my life, and I couldn't see any way out. But every single day, I work hard. Every single day, I show up. Every single day, I'm loyal to the best version of myself that I can possibly be. And I do that to spread a message of hope to everybody having a hard time in life. To please know, no matter how hard your life is, there is hope for a better tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen that watch and enjoy my show, so if you can, after the show, come up, give me a 10 or 20, I would really appreciate it. A 10 means I've entertained you guys and I've done my job tonight. It's about the same price as a movie ticket, but you're watching live action, real danger. I do, but I'm going to enter my grand finale right now. When you see my legs up in the air, everybody capture, make some noise. Ambulance lady, make sure your kids don't run into the stage, yeah? Here we go. When you see my legs up, make some noise. 3, 2, 1. Bonus trick.